Mayor Patawin, City Administrator Alan Zarate, Board of Director Ralph Du, Kapitana, at mga barangay officials. I would say fellow public servants. Because I myself, I'm a public servant. Very briefly, I sat as City Legal Officer of the City of Baguio. I was also a director of the BCBA. And currently, I am now a director of IBC 13 and a member of the Board of Advisors of DMA. So, pareho po tayong serbisyo publiko. And I believe that there is no better way to spend our life than to serve the public. So as we do our business, and as well as we serve the public, we're serving. I believe that life is supposed to be dedicated for service. Anyway, Simon Sinek in his book, Start with Why. Ang sabi niya, every time you do something, you have to have that why. Why do you do what you do? Why did I build this? Why did we envision this dormitory for the Dagupan? I would like to take it back several decades ago because the genesis of that dream started in my childhood. Ako po ay anak ng mga Igorot. Dalawang panganay na Igorot from Mountain Province. You know, my mother and father are so poor. I remember my father telling me the story that, anak, grade 5 na ako, wala pa akong salawan. Because my father's father got gunned down and they were left without any support. And so, young as they are, my mother and father left Mountain Province to go to Metro Manila. Naging katulong po sila. Ang nanay ko, house girl, ang tatay ko, houseboy. My mom did not graduate elementary. So, and later on, I will tell you why education is very close to my heart. And we live near the squatters area in what we now know as E. Rodriguez. Pero during the time, it was Expand Extension. It was near Trinity College, where my father, after they got married, my father worked as a janitor sa Trinity while pursuing his education degree. And my mother had odd jobs dahil hindi nga ako po nakapag-aral. Naging nagsari-sari store, nagbenta ng sinulid, nagbenta ng gulay para po mabuhay kami. Now, we were living near, as I said, the squatters area. The more famous name of the squatter area is Tatalon. Malapit po kami dun sa Tatalon. At 1980s, sinamang palad, kami po ay napaalis, palayas dun sa aming tinitirhan. And I remember, because of lack of funds, we were being represented by them, the City Legal Office. Ngayon, PAO, ngayon, Public Assistance Office. Pero noon, City Legal Assistance Office. But to make the long story short, we were ejected from the premises. As I was looking at the crowd a while ago, that was as if it was yesterday. The scenes keep coming back. And parang sabi ko, it's so... I couldn't believe that we're looking at a 10-story building, and just decades ago, we were ejected and thrown like cattle in a bus. And my family. But, and here comes the story, while I started this investment project. Magkapit-bahay po kami nung meron po kami